Pharma name which reported is Cipla. And Vinny is here with details on this one. Vinny, take it away.
Hi, Cipla reported a good set of numbers this time, especially on the margins and the profitability front. It was a good number. Revenue, a slight bit of a miss versus what the street was expecting, as well as what we were expecting at CNBC-TV18. So revenue growth of just 4% year-on-year basis. Margins have come in at 25.6%. Profit growth of approximately 10%. Now, factors that come into play. India business, how did that do? India business saw a growth of around 6% on a year-on-year basis. Slower growth was mainly due to the respiratory side of the business as well as anti-infectives versus other therapies. These two businesses saw a bit of a slow growth in Q1 FY26. US business, obviously, it came in at around $226 million, which was slightly in line, we could say, with what we were estimating at CNBC TV18. Lanreotide, that was a concern coming in for the company in terms of market share. There were supply chain issues and challenges that were there. Now, that has been solved, and Lanreotide market share has come in at around 19.5%. The company has spoken about how their launch pipeline for the rest of the year for FY26 is quite exciting. They have a lot of generic drugs that are going to be coming in terms of launches. That will be the key to watch out for in the US business. Overall, in the press conference also, there were certain highlights that came in. What they said was they saw good growth in India in generics business as well as the consumer segment, while branded prescriptions, especially the acute segment, where most of the business comes in from, that was a bit lower in terms of growth, and that is why India business saw slower growth this time. But for FY26, they're expecting good growth coming in there. So 8 to 9% by the end of the year is what they expect to achieve in the India business. Currently, it was 6%, so they will be back to that 8 to 9%. Other than that, Braxin, generic Braxin in June, which was the export data that came in, Cipla has managed to see some sales coming in on that front as well. So that was a positive over there. And all in all, good set of numbers. GLP-1, they're seeing a big opportunity coming in for the company, and they would look at maybe innovators as well as more launches coming in on that front.
Thanks very much. Very quick one.